At CEBE Training, we're proud to offer the Level 2 award for working as a security officer, an SIA-approved course designed to help you develop the skills and knowledge needed to work as a professional security officer. This course is perfect for anyone looking to start their career in the security industry, or for those who are already working in the sector and want to enhance their skills and knowledge. Our experienced trainers will guide you through the course and ensure that you're fully prepared to take the SIA-approved exam and obtain your qualification. With the Level 2 award for working as a security officer, you'll learn essential skills such as risk assessment, conflict management, and emergency procedures. You'll also gain a thorough understanding of the legal and ethical responsibilities of a security officer, and how to carry out your duties in a professional and effective manner. At CEBE Training, we're committed to providing high-quality training and support to help you achieve your goals. Contact us today to learn more about this course and how it can benefit your career in the security industry.